I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about the coaching snapshot of the Go High Level. This is done for you snapshot where you have all the website, which is like super amazing, done for you website. And in fact, the kind of pages that you have, like all possible pages that you need for that personal branding of your coaching that you wanted to offer either for yourself or to your sub account. So basically all services, Instagram, contact, podcast, galleries, shop, and testimonials, frequently asked question, thank you page. I'm going to describe to you, show it to you. How does it look like? And you just tweak the details to your own and it becomes for your own usage. And of course, I'm going to even show you how do you get this snapshot. And then the magical part of a snapshot is the workflow where all the things are embedded, the SMS automation, the email automation. So basically the marketing workflows, the opt out, the update offer, lead nurture, each and inbound leads. Now just to quickly give you an overview, like the inbound leads, if you get a, like let's say some nurturing from the chat widget, some nurturing that has to happen from the Facebook Messenger, any of the person who's coming in, from your Google My Business, from your Instagram DM, from your missed call text back. And this is just one inbound leads workflow, and I'm going to show you the inside portion of it, like how beautifully it is done. So of course you would need this snapshot. Now, as per the promise, I'm like, before I show you this website and even the workflows, I'll show you beforehand what is the way that you can get this snapshot. And in fact, if you don't believe, if you just try to find out the coaching snapshot of the Go High Level, you literally find out people selling it for $1,200, $1,900, $3,000, right? Just one snapshot. So I wanted, like, of course, it costed us a lot as well to get it completely for you, but we want to offer it to you completely free. So we have kept ample number of ways where you can get it. In fact, 5 different unique ways where you can get it, and 4 of them is completely free, and the fifth one is the paid one. And in fact, this is not the only snapshot that you're going to get. You're going to get 127 snapshots, which include this also, the coaching one. Yeah, before we move on, I just wanted to quickly tell you, like, I am Abdullah Zahid. I have been independent affiliate of Go High Level from the past 4 years. I've been writing the blog articles, like hundreds of blog articles 4 years back from that time. And from that time, Go High Level has grown exponentially to another level. I've done interviews with the CEO of the Go High Level, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people. They are building one of the best solutions. That's why I'm active promoter of this software. So this is the website where you can get it. abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll post it onto the screen. And here I have put the link. I mean, this is just a quick testimonial of one of the person. And basically, not just a snapshot, you are even going to get one-to-one personal support if you do these, like at least the first 3 of the options. So basically, if you scroll it down, as you can see, this is the number 1 option. You can sign up for the 30-day free trial using our affiliate link. This is the link. You just click onto it, new window will open, and you enter your details, take up the free trial, and that's it. It is on us to send you the entire snapshot, which includes the coaching snapshot. Just to quicken up the process, you can email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. The email ID is mentioned into the website itself. Now, let's say somebody has already signed up for the Go High Level. What is the option left for them? Then you can just this is the second option. Then you can just upgrade to the $297 plan. You click on this link, a new window is going to open. It'll auto-populate our referral ID. You just enter your name, phone number, and relationship number. Press submit. So you'll be upgraded to $297 plan, and it is, yeah, like, you are eligible for the bonus. Now let me tell you, like, not just the snapshots. If you wish, we are going to assign you one-to-one personal expert to do some Go High Level help for you. That is additional bonus to it. Now the third option that is left for you is upgrade to the $497 plan. Either you're on $297 or $97 plan. Directly you just click on this link. Our affiliate ID will be populated in the form. You just enter your name, your relationship number, and just press submit. You'll be upgraded to $497 plan, and you will be eligible for the snapshot bonus. Now let me just tell you one more ways. The fourth way, which is, I think, I mean, if let's say you don't want to upgrade, you don't want to, you already signed up, you, all 3 options are not there for you, don't want to do it right now. The fourth one, any of you can do that, and it is not even charging you anything, because we just wanted to promote this feature. That's why for us. So basically, within the AI employee, you just put our referral code. It does not charge you right away. and it doesn't mean that you're using the AI employee right away. Like the moment if you use in the future, then we get the benefit, and if you don't use it, we don't. So you can just simply enter. I'm going to show you how do you enter it, and but apart from that, you are also going to get, once we develop this white label AI employee course, that you're going to get the second, the first client, if ever you use in the future this AI employee thing, the first client that you onboard, that you land up, the onboarding of that client will be on us. We are going to assign an expert. Just let us know, and we are going to assign an expert, and he or she will be onboarded by us, so that you just rinse and repeat for the future clients. So let me just quickly show you. Okay, let me just quickly show you how do you actually enable this uh, AI employee. I'm just going to open a Gohighlevel account once again. You just go to the settings, click on the settings, just click on AI employee. This is the fourth way, by the way, guys. And click on manager offer. And let me tell you, this doesn't mean that you're being charged or anything. You're only charged once, let's say, like your sub accounts choose to opt in for the AI employee. And in that case, every time you're making the profit anyways. As you can see, this is a resale price. But anyways, we're not going to describe this. You just enter FP reference is equal to AI bonuses. Just put in AI bonuses. This is our referral code, and click on apply. The moment you click on apply, that's it. You are eligible. This is the fourth option, and it will not charge you anything. This is mentioned like this is the resale price. Let's say you want to sell for $197 per month. The moment the client enables it, then you will be charged $97. But the client will pay $197. So basically $100 becomes your profit. So anybody subscribing to it, it is automatically a profitable deal for you. But anyways, that's in the future when you're planning to use. But right now, just enter our referral code, click on apply, and that's it. You're going to get the 100% of 127 snapshot that include this coaching snapshot. Now the last way, let me just reveal to you. Now let's say you have exhausted all your options, and I'm sure like if you have not exhausted this option, this is like a no-brainer, guys. It might not run for long, but as long as you're able to watch the video, just put in AI bonuses and just take this snapshot completely free. Scroll down to the bottom and you can purchase the 127 snapshot. These are worth more than $10,000, like $14,000 as you can see, but just one time price of $347. You just choose your debit or credit card, enter your card details or via the PayPal. The moment that you do it, you will be able to download the entire snapshot set. $347, one time cost for the lifetime. So guys, as I promised, like four free ways I told you, and the fifth one is a paid win. Now let us just jump onto describing the coaching snapshot. So as you can see, let me just, all you have to do is just open the editor window the moment that you from the website and just edit to your uh, wish. Now let us just instead of editing, like I'll just directly preview because you are open in the editor window. I'll just preview how does the page look like. So basically this is the first page. As you can see, start here. This is like the personalized branding. Coaching is like you are selling yourself as a brand where the person wants to take the coaching. So this one is like looking elegant website, right? Charming website. Transform your business with sustainable strategies for women. This is like one of the coaching. In your case, you might be offering something else. You can just edit the text or the image as per your own thing, and then unlock your potential, my growth strategies, group mentoring, virtual training, nice to meet you, I'm this, from the blog posts. You know it, right? It's amazing. Now this is the about section. This is the services. Let me just open the services. I'll just open few of the links, and as you can see, all the other aspects are also covered. Launch my brand with the new heights, revolutionize. Service title, this is the first service priced at this one. There's the second service priced at this one, right? From my client, this is the success stories, discover my this, unleash your inner power. So this is the roadmap for you already out there. Now let us just, okay, further, let's say shopping. Okay, what is this shopping? So you name it, any kind of page that you wish. You don't want to integrate some of the pages, you don't need to, but you have all the pages being almost built. Revamp your result with the right tools. So this is the first product, the second product, the third product, right? I was concerned with the word some story. So what makes me difference? Elegant website, right? If I have to do the coaching from someone, of course, like I would be finding it amazing. This is the opt-in form, this is a long form, right? The frequently asked questions, testimonials. Let us just open the FAQ. Common questions. Yeah, so this is how like you just edit the text to your thing. what if I, what do I get in the coaching? Or let's say, what if I didn't like the coaching? Or like probably what is the result? Whatever the question might be, the answer, as you can see on the professional websites, it is there, just the way it is here as well. So as you can see, the website super amazing, and you can use it and just edit it to your coaching business that you're probably onboarding the sub account, or probably for your own, or whatever wish that you wish to use. Now let us jump onto the workflow. This is the magical part. So the first one is the inbound lead, right? We just opened. So let's say from the Facebook Messenger, if one of the lead is coming, then what are the workflows that needs to be that the system performs? We'll try to explore. And let me tell you, this is just tip of the iceberg. We have got so many workflows, right? So as you can see, the trigger would be customer reply channel would be from the Facebook. The moment the customer replies, if you open it, you'll be able to see customer reply challenge from the Facebook Messenger. The moment customer replies, this is the trigger that call this workflow. The next thing that add contact to the tab. What is the tag? Facebook Messenger. For this contact, the tag will be added as Facebook Messenger. And wait for 24 hours to pitch and get the number. Basically, phone number is not empty, and basically for the 24 hours. So basically they are trying to see whether like this lead is like we are supposed to reach them or not based on their input. Like if no, then set do not disturb, and if yes, then create an opportunity. And then on the weekend, weekday, like you send an opt-in message. This is the automatic SMS sent to the person as you now get the phone number, contact, thank for sign up for the offer, it's valid starting from what time is it, quickly to call Ashley. Like you can just change your name. This is just automatic message. On the weekend some other messages is going. And then from here, okay, let me just close this. As you can see, again, like the 31 minutes, the next day, wait until the next day, one more follow-up is going on, that hey, contact like the person looking forward to connecting, have you a chance to look at your schedule, right? So you basically, this is the system is basically doing the nurturing from the inboundly. Somebody just message and you're not leaving them, right? You are actually professionally, as if you're personally making the SMS. This itself leaves a amazing impression. I would want to do that. So as you can see, next day, one more follow up here. Hey, just checking to see whether a good time to call. It takes only a few minutes. And then the last day follow. So this is just one of the workflow for the inbound, as you can see. And then you have on the other ones as well, like from the Google My Business list, and then let's say Instagram DM somebody comes. So as you can see, like it's a very, very thorough one. Not just to like open this marketing workflows. What do you have in this? So now let's say a new lead nurture. How do you nurture it? That's what, or probably a appointment confirmation. Somebody just confirmed the appointment with you, right? Nurturing also amazing. Like you would do not want to miss out on the leads. You want to nurture them because that improves the probability of them closing. The moment somebody confirms the appointment, remove from the new lead workflow, update booking opportunity, like opportunity stage is updated, like hey, booking and confirm, a confirmation email is sent. What is the confirmation? Appointment is confirmed. Hey, this one appointment has been confirmed at this date, this time, and then 24 hours before one more reminder, 1 hour before one more reminder, 1 hour before one SMS being sent, as if like you they are dealing with somebody really professional. So all the permutation and possible combination, the email, the SMS, the internal notifications, nurturing, controlling the inbound leads, like all the Instagram, Facebook, DMs, Google My Business, and then let's say they do not so, and then after the sale has been made, the confirmation, everything is done, then the review request workflow is also there. So you would not want to miss out on this snapshot, guys. I totally get it. Like it is going to be super amazing if you're looking for the coaching one, and of course, not just the coaching one. You're going to get 127 snapshots along with it, and of course, like plus one-to-one personal coaching. I mean, personal assistant from our expert if you would want to it, because we just do not want to disturb everyone, right? That hey, take the expert. You just tell us, and we are going to do it for you. So you have again, once again, the option number one, sign up for the 30-day free trial of Go High Level. If you cannot, option number two, upgrade to $297 plan using this link. Option number three, upgrade to $497 plan using this link. Option number four, go to AI employees from the settings as I just showed you in the video. Just put our referral code and click apply. AI bonus, you would not be charged anything. You're not. It doesn't mean that you have started using AI employee. Just that you will be ensuring that you get our bonus. FPREF is equal to AI bonus. All you have to do. And then last but not the least is the fifth one, where of course, guys, like if I have not revealed yet, like I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. I mean, as an independent affiliate. I did interviews with the CEO, the co-founder, and then one more co-founder, Varun Veravan, Sean Clark, like super amazing people these are. So last option is for the $347. You can purchase it one time, costs and 127 snapshot. Right away you'll be able to download it. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.